A lot of people want to hear the Lincoln run, so I figured I'd bring it out into the backyard and start it up. Motor's a 5.0 roller block, bored 30 over. It's got trick flow, aluminum heads ported, trick flow stage 2 cam, roller rockers, main supports, lots of goodies inside the motor. You can see the intakes and Offenhauser dual 4 tunnel ram with dual 600 Edelbrock carburetors. And for ignition, we got MSD and a Mallory Unilite to clear the tunnel ram. My MSD distributor wouldn't clear the tunnel ram. Underneath, we got a complete aftermarket suspension. It's a QA1 tubular K-member and QA1 coilover shocks. In the rear, it's got custom springs with custom lengthened adjustable control arms. For transmission, she's running a 5-speed conversion T5 King Cobra clutch and 373 posi out back. There you go. I'll start her up. And that's about it. Not a show car, but a fun hot rod. Pretty damn fast for what it is, and a blast to drive.